Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to change your password on your Crunchyroll account. So first of all, launch Crunchyroll application on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now at the bottom right corner of your screen, go ahead and tap on the category that says account. Now from here, scroll down below and under membership category, you'll see the option of password. Tap on it. Now once you come here, simply enter your email address. From here, a link will be sent to your email so that you could reset your password of your Crunchyroll account. Then tap on the option of send. Make sure that you open your email and check for the mails sent to you by Crunchyroll. So let's open our email. So let's tap on the mail on top sent by Crunchyroll. After that, you will be getting an email that would look something like this. In order to reset your password, simply tap on this blue link that says click here. With that, you will be led to this page. Now simply enter the new password for your Crunchyroll account. Make sure that you choose a password that has more than 6 characters. Then retype your new password again. After that, if you tap on the option of reset password, the password of your Crunchyroll account will be changed. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.